Good morning, my name is Margareta Ines Hernando and you can call me Isrere. I am 14 years old. I was born in Surabaya. Now I live in Menganti. I am a student in SMP TK Karunia Hidup. And street Pakis Gunung 9A. And I read this is story. This is my story. Currently, I am a student in my 9th grade junior high school. I am a cheerful person who loves art and lunch in my free time. I enjoy reading novels and singing, which help me to be more creative. My dream is to become a successful writer and travel around the world to learn about new cultures. I believe that with hard work and consistency, I can make my dreams come true.
Finish?
Finish.
Okay, let me see your writing. Okay.
Di situ bercerita tentang diri saya, perkenalan dahulu. Terus di situ menceritakan tentang impian saya, kesukaan saya. Kesukaan saya kayak membaca buku novel, terus juga impian saya menjadi penulis. Ya, singing itu hobi, lebih ke kayak dalam hal waktu-waktu luang saya sering pergunakan untuk bernyanyi. Dan setelah itu saya juga mempunyai impian juga bisa traveling, bisa maksudnya itu berkeliling berkeliling dunia gitu, mencari hal-hal baru dan mengenal budaya-budaya baru.
Oke, good. Ini yang ditulis.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I want to go to the library.
The library is not far. It's next to the mall. Can you see that big red building?
Yes, I can. Thank you very much.
Saya ulangi.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I want to go to the library.
The library is not far. It's next to the mall. Can you see that big red building?
Yes, I can. Thank you very much.
Ceritakan dalam bahasa Indonesia.
Yang saya dengar dalam cerita bahasa Inggris itu anak kecil itu meminta petunjuk arah, meminta petunjuk untuk ke ruangan perpustakaan, lalu dijawab oleh kakaknya atau yang kasih petunjuk seseorang itu menjawab ada di lantai 4 ruangan perpustakaannya. Terus habis
Lantai 4 ya? Kayaknya nggak ada tulisan lantai 4.
tapi tadi di Big Red
Building. Gedung besar yang berwarna merah.
Oh. Jadi diulang.
Nggak apa-apa. Sekarang.
Okay. Excuse me, can you?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Pakai telinga. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Oke. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry.
Bilangin lagi.
Excuse me, can you help me? Permisi, bisakah kamu bantu saya?
Iya.
I want to go the library.
I want to go to the. Tambahin.
I want to go
To the.
Oh, I want to go
to the
I want to go to the library.
library. Ya.
I want to go to the library. Artinya saya mau ke ruangan perpustakaan.
Enggak pakai ruangan.
Berarti saya mau ke perpustakaan.
Oke, lanjut.
Is next to the mall.
It's next to the mall, artinya
Artinya setelah mall ini.
bukan next itu sebelahnya.
Oh, seberang mall.
Sebelah.
Sebelah mall.
Sebelahnya mall.
Oh, is next to the mall, di sebelah mall. Can you see that big
Big red. Big red itu red merah.
Can you see that big red
Building.
building? Bisakah kamu menunjukkan
Bisakah kamu melihat?
Oh,
See.
Bisakah kamu melihat rak merah,
Bukan rak, building, bangunan.
bangunan berwarna merah?
Bangunan besar. Big itu besar.
Berarti bisakah kamu melihat bangunan besar
Yang berwarna merah.
yang
itu.
berwarna merah itu?
Coba diulangi bahasa Inggrisnya.
Can you see that big
Big red
red
building.
Can you see that big red building?
Oke.
Bisakah kamu melihat bangunan besar yang berwarna merah itu?
The last number.
What do you need? Apakah yang kamu mau?
Apakah yang kamu
Sure.
Apakah yang kamu butuhkan?
Apakah yang
Ya.
kamu butuhkan?
Apakah yang kamu perlukan? Oke, Rere. Thank you for your coming to joining this examination. Say hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Rere.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you...
Hi guys, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yunika Elizabeth Mutiara Padoma. I was born in 2010. I live in Pakis Gunung Gang 2. Now, apa Pak?
Now, sekarang I want to read my
story. Now, I want to read my story. Sabar. Pak, judulnya nggak usah dibaca. Now I want. Ini udah. Bapak nggak pause. Now I want to read my story. Every afternoon, Aruna sat on a small wooden bench in the park near her house. The park was not big, but it was always full of people. Children played, and adults rested. After a long day, Aruna liked this place because she did not feel alone there. Gak apa-apa kan, Pak? Aruna was a quiet girl at school. She rarely told Yunus the teacher. Really kan? Really. Bener loh, Pak. Bapak no. She really tele kan? Tahu kan, Pak? TALKED itu tulisan biasa tahu kan? Talk. Really thought Yunus itu unless. Apa Yunus biasa? UNLESS. Unleash bacanya. Unleash the teacher asked her. Many people thought she was unfriendly, but that was not true. She was just afraid of saying the wrong words. She kept many thoughts in her heart and hoped someone would listen to her one day. Udah, Pak? Udah, gitu doang.
Ya, teknisi. Ini bacanya terputus-putus. Ini tugas saya. Kamu dadaan ini, Pak.
Dadak kan emang. Kan emang dadak, Pak.
Persiapan. Oke.
Itu pun tulisannya.
Ingatmu.
Setiap sore Aruna itu selalu duduk di taman dekat rumahnya. Dia merasa tidak kesepian dan dia menyukai suasana di taman itu. Terus banyak orang yang mengira dia itu sombong, padahal enggak. Dia itu cuma takut salah ngomong atau salah berbicara. Dan kedepannya dia berharap untuk ada seseorang yang benar-benar bisa mendengarkannya. Udah. Iya itu aja. Itu kan simpel, Pak.
Good day.
Hi,
Hi, welcome.
Pak, kalau misalnya nulis nggak bisa, Mbak Sus. Tapi kalau misalnya aku jelasin bisa. Hah? Bapak dikte. Pakai es kan, Pak, topping.
Sudah 5 namanya?
Sudah.
Oke. Bacaan pelan-pelan dan terjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Nah,
Waduh, mulut itu apa, Pak? Mulut.
nomor 1 dulu.
Hi, welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome. Hi, welcome. Hi, welcome. How can I help you? How can I help you today?
Terjemahkan. Bahasa terjemahkan.
Kok aku
bahasa
tiba-tiba
Indonesia.
ngelek ya? Aku kok tiba-tiba ngelek? Welcome itu selamat datang.
Iya, selamat datang.
Hai, selamat datang. Bagaimana aku bisa membantumu hari ini? I like to order two pizza, please.
I'd like to order a pizza.
Oh, salah, sorry. Ulang. I'd like to order a pizza, please. Like itu
Saya mau.
oh, saya mau memesan pizza. Would you like a regular or large size?
Kamu
Mau kan? Kamu mau yang besar,
yang biasa.
yang biasa atau yang besar? Terus yang nomor 4, I'll kan bacanya? Kak?
Like.
Hah?
Oh, ya.
Iya, I'll take a apa sih bacanya? Regular. I'll take a regular one. Aku mengambil yang biasa 1. Would you like any extra toppings? Apa kamu mau menambah topping?
Okay, good. Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Bye-bye.
you. Niken.
Ya, bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye, see you.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, everybody. My name is Robertus Benu. I am 15 years old. I live in Surabaya.
Oke, sekarang bisa dibaca ceritanya. Pelan-pelan aja ya.
Ya, Pak. The Legend of Surabaya. Long ago, in East Java, there lived two strong animals named Sura and Baya. Sura was a shark and Baya was a crocodile. At first, they were friends, but when they were hungry, they became very greedy and did not want to share food. They began to fight and never stopped. One day, Sura and Baya were looking for food, but they did not want to share, so they fought again. After several hours of fighting, Sura and Baya agreed to stop their fight. Sura stayed and looked for food on land. However, one day Sura went to go land and looked for food in the river. Baya was very angry when he found out that Sura had broken the promise. Then Sura and Baya fought again. And finally, Sura gave up and returned to the story about the fight between Sura and Baya. The place where the fight happened was named Surabaya, which comes from the word Sura the shark and Baya crocodile. People also made their fight the symbol of Surabaya city.
Sudah, Beb?
Sudah, Pak.
Oke, let me see.
Jadi asal-usul kota Surabaya ini berasal dari dua hewan, yaitu Sura sang hiu dan Baya sang seekor buaya. Jadi mereka berdua ini pada saat itu sedang mencari makan. Ya, dulunya itu mereka berteman, tetapi karena soal makanan mereka masing-masing serakah, jadi mereka itu tidak mau ya. Jadi mereka itu sempat mulai bertengkar. Iya, Pak. Habis itu mereka itu baikan lagi pas nggak ada baikan sih. Belum.
Beberapa jam bertengkar, mereka akhirnya setuju
berhenti ya,
dan
membagi makanan
dan mencari makanan di daratan. Iya kan?
iya, Pak.
Terus pergi ke daratan dan mencari makanan. Terus apa nih?
Bentar, Pak, aku akhir-akhirnya itu agak repot, Pak. Bingung aku, Pak. Aduh, apa ini bahasanya?
Bawa sini.
Pak.
Oke, dah. Sekarang ada bapaknya. Sekarang listening aja ya.
Ya, Pak.
Listening. Ya. Kamu mau minta yang
Can you tell me where the milk is?
Sure, it's in aisle 5, right next to the eggs.
Thanks. Do you have any almond milk?
Yes, we have a few brands. Do you want sweetened or unsweetened?
Unsweetened, please.
Got it. You'll find it on the top shelf in the same aisle.
Awesome. And where are the fresh vegetables?
Right by the entrance, near the bakery section.
Thanks so much for your help.
Iya, Pak. Terus. Iya, Pak, yang kita bisa lagi.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What brings you here today?
I have a sore throat and a bad cough.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Let me check your temperature. Your temperature is 38.2 degrees. You have a mild fever.
Is it serious?
No, it looks like a common. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you. How many times should I take it each day?
3 times a day for 3 days.
Got it. Thank you, doctor. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What
Kayaknya
brings you
terlalu
here
sulit,
today?
Pak.
I have a sore throat and a
Iya,
bad
Pak.
cough.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For
Yeah,
about
Pak.
3 days.
Do you have a
Mom, can I watch TV?
No, Honey do homework first.
Mom, I don't want to do homework.
You must. Homework comes first.
But I want to watch TV now.
No, finish homework first.
Okay, Mom, I will do it.
Good. Now start.
Iya, Pak.
Mom, can I watch?
Kata apa itu?
Jadi anak ini tuh ingin menonton TV tetapi ibunya bilang itu ada apa ini? Pekerjaan rumah. Ya, pekerjaan rumah. Jadi harus pekerjaan rumah yang didahulukan.
Oke, sekarang tulis dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Ayo. Oke, please say goodbye and thank you for coming.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Satria Masdana, years old, 16. Malin Kundang was a young man who wandered and become a wealthy merchant. After his success, he returned to his hometown with a magnificent ship and a beautiful wife. Upon his arrival, his elderly mother greeted him with tears of joy. However, as much after poverty and fight, Malin refused to acknowledge her and even excited. Here in front of everyone, he'd broken his mother's pride. For justice suddenly a great storm started destroying tri-ship and Malin Kundang was forced to be reduced to stand, protesting himself and begging for forgiveness. Thank you.
Oke.
Mengembara musim
Pengembara.
ya mengembara Pak yang ini atasan mengembara Pak. Mengembara kayak kayu apa namanya ada Pak ya mengembara lupa mengembara
ya.
Mengembara kayak kayu apa itu kayak ya kayu terus
menjadi pedagang
ya
kayu.
dan menjadi pedagang kayu dan ia memutuskan untuk keluar untuk mereka istilahnya itu merantau lah ya. Terus demi keadaan dia merela merantau dan orang tuanya itu mengizinkan untuk dia merelakan. Nah, setelah dia sukses, dia punya istri cantik dan dia pulang ke daerahnya, terus ibunya itu melihat dia menangis kayak bahagia gitu. Tapi si Malin Kundang itu tidak meresponnya, dalam arti dia itu nggak mau punya ibu yang berpakaian sederhana. Nah, dan dia itu akhirnya ibunya itu sakit hati dia itu menangis dan dia mengutuk anaknya menjadi batu. Tapi si Malin Kundang itu tetap memohon dan meminta ampun untuk tidak mengutuk itu. Gitu, Pak.
Sudah sampai situ.
Iya. Thank you.
Ya. Oke. Sekarang kita masuk ke listening ya.
Iya, kayak Robert. Kau.
Kamu pilih yang dokter
Kan mau apa, Pak?
atau
Atau dia apa?
order pizza?
Yang lain aja, Pak.
Gimana?
Yang
makan ya?
berbicara sama dokter nggak apa-apa sih, Pak.
Berbicara sama dokter.
Iya.
Bicara sama dokter.
Iya.
Oke.
Coba dulu aja, Pak.
Doctor.
Good morning. What brings you here today?
I have a sore throat and a bad cough.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes,
Pak.
a little.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is 38.2 degrees C. You have a mild fever.
Ganti, Pak.
Is
Ganti, Pak.
it serious?
No.
Kata tahu Pak.
Kesulitan.
Iya. Iya terlalu speed.
What are you doing now?
I am cooking dinner, honey.
What's for dinner today?
Fried fish and rice.
Yay! I love fried fish so much.
In 5 minutes, it's almost ready.
Oke.
Tulis.
Seorang anak yang mau pergi ke sekolah tapi kelaparan.
Mau apa?
Seorang anak kelaparan.
Lapar.
Iya lapar kan, I'm hungry. Nah,
Mau ke sekolah atau pulang sekolah?
mau ke sekolah itu Pak.
No, let's go home.
Oh ya pulang sekolah dia lapar. Terus si mamanya bilang kalau apa namanya itu? Iya. Saya sedang memasak nasi dengan ikan. Fried rice.
Oh ya, ada
Ya.
and rice.
Ya. Fish and rice.
Nomor satu apa tadi?
I just go from what
I just got home.
I just go home from school. Nah,
Artinya,
aku baru pulang sekolah.
oke.
Aku baru pulang sekolah. What are you doing now?
Oke,
Nah,
artinya.
dia itu kayak apa ya?
Artinya,
Mau
What are you doing now? Apa yang kamu kerjakan?
ya, apa yang kamu kerjakan? At cooking dinner. Yaitu
I am cooking dinner.
ya, at a cooking dinner. Nah, itu artinya itu kayak sedang memasak makan malam.
Oke.
I love fried fish so much. Nah, itu aku menyukai masakan
Fried fish, ikan goreng.
aku menyukai ikan goreng
So much, suka ikan
sangat
goreng.
ya saya menyukai ikan goreng yang saya sangat suka. Oke, wait 5 minutes, almost ready. Nah,
Artinya
iya. Tunggu 5 menit, hampir selesai. Nah,
Oke.
thank you.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
Samuel.
Goodbye.
For paying this generation. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Good morning. My name is Navid Petrus Sukmaro. I am 16 years old and I live in Surabaya.
Okay. Let me reading my story.
Blackie and Brownie. Blackie and Brownie are puppy. They are puppy. They are also brothers. Blackie is a small blacky puppy with fluffy fur. Brownie is a big brownie puppy with shorter fur. They both like to eat bones and meat. They both like running and playing. In the desert, excited rose and cactus. The beautiful rose will take every opportunity to insult the cactus. The other plants tried to defend the cactus, but the rose was too obsessed with its own looks. Ridley agreed.
Saya tanya, kenapa pilih yang sulit-sulit? Kenapa pilih kita yang sulit-sulit? Guru ini guru. Oke gini, ceritakan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Cerita ini tentang apa?
Jadi yang anjing itu saya tidak sempat baca dalam bahasa Indonesia. Cuman yang tentang ini apa?
Mawar.
Mawar itu
Oke,
jadi
mawar aja.
menceritakan tentang bunga mawar yang setiap waktu itu dia selalu mencari kesempatan untuk menghina kaktus. Tapi pada suatu kali itu ada kekeringan dan di situ tuh bunga mawar sudah layu gitu. Jadi di situ kaktus ini masih berbaik hati, makanya dia memberikan bantuan untuk mawar. Iya, mawar. Ya, itu mungkin saja yang saya tahu.
I want to go to the library.
See that big red building?
Yes, I can. Thank you very much. It's
Ya. Cerita bahasa Indonesia aja kira-kira sih. Tentang apa? Ada seorang anak.
Ada seorang anak yang bertanya, apa kamu memanggil saya? Oh iya, oh bukan. Oke.
Tulis ya.
Ya. Excuse me, can you help me? Permisi, apakah kamu minta tolong kepada saya gitu? Oh, bukan.
Can you help me? Mau saya tolong menolong saya?
Oh, permisi, excuse me, can you help me? Permisi, maaf, maukah kamu menolong saya? Sure ya? Sure. What do you need?
Ben. Thank you for joining this examination and see you next time, Ben. Okay.
See you next time.
My name is Gideon. I'm from Surabaya. Habis itu, Pak?
Saya tinggal di Surabaya, saya sekolah di
Apa itu? I'm studies SMPTK Karunia Hidup.
Pandai lagi.
Nggak ada, Pak.
Ya, oke. Sekarang I want to read my story.
I want read is my story.
Oke, silakan. Dan pelan Mas.
The Fox and the Grape. Gak iso aku, Pak.
Bisa mau pakai slow-slow aja.
Apa, Pak?
Ini tol apa? Oke, kalau sini saya tanya. Ceritakan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Ceritanya ini tentang apa?
Tentang rubah.
Saja.
Rubah lagi haus. Haus, Pak, haus. Habis itu dia itu mau ngambil anggur.
Haus apa lapar?
Haus, Pak. Habis itu dia itu mau ngambil anggur, tapi anggurnya itu tinggi, Pak. Dia loncat, tapi nggak dapet, Pak.
Terus
Sudah itu doang, Pak. Yang dia terus mencoba tapi gagal.
bagus banget misalnya. Oke Miss, nggak apa-apa ya. Sekarang listening ya, mendengarkan. Saya kasih yang mudah ya Gideon ya.
Ya, Pak.
Kamu pilih, ini ada ini yang mana minta makan atau
Minta makan aja, Pak.
Ya gimana ya, nanti saya ulang-ulangi nggak apa-apa. sangat suka ikan bakar.
Ya, Pak.
Oke, Gideon, give me 5, Gideon. Hey, you're very very good. Oke, see you next time, Gideon.
Ya, Pak.
Oke.
Good morning. My name is Jire. I live Surabaya. I live Surabaya. I live in Surabaya. Sekolah gimana?
I am studying
in SMP TK Warna Hidup. Ini baca.
Belum, tambahin.
Lah.
Saya suka apa? Suka makan apa?
I like seafood.
Lagi,
Tidak.
satu lagi.
Hobi?
Ya, boleh. My hobby is
Swimming.
swimming.
Ya. Renang.
Swimming, ya.
Udah.
Oke.
Baca langsung.
Oke.
Judulnya Badminton, Sleep and Shadow. Aurora was born from sleep, risen by shadows in the ever-misty city of London. She lived alongside night whispers and sit in for the walls of her house. One night the visitors Skyland her name. She learned her blood was made to guard the poultry between. Like in darkness when blood began to tremble under strange Aurora caused to stand in between nature's regency. The dark noticing the light. She broke the ancient shell and calming the
Ini bagus banget tulisannya, wah keren.
Oh my god. Seorang anak Aurora, ibu yang bernama Aurora terlahir berada dalam kesunyian dan kegelapan dalam hutan dan dibesarkan oleh bisik-bisikan. Oh ya, gitu Pak. Terus apa lagi ya? Dan
suatu malam bulan purnama ini.
Iya, menolak mengejar cahaya dan memilih kegelapan.
Tapi kok anak-anak lain cerita menarik ini kok cerita tentang kegelapan orang ini dapat dari mana cerita ini?
Cari di Google, cari sendiri Pak.
Nah, kenapa nggak milih yang gampang-gampang Pinocchio, Cinderella atau apa kok si modelnya aja? Kenapa pilih?
Apa gitu aja Pak? Apa?
Oke. Karena listening ya, mendengarkan ya. Mau yang sulit atau yang mudah?
Mudah.
Mau yang mudah. Yang di dokter itu mau nggak?
Hah?
Yang ke dokter itu? Yang orang ke dokter atau anak kecil yang mau nonton TV atau ini yang pesen pizza saja, ya mau?
Yang pizza?
Percakapan orang yang sedang pesan pizza.
Nah, yang nggak TV Pak.
Itu sudah tadi.
Sudah. Yang pizza?
Gimana?
Pizza.
Pizza ya.
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Sure. What kind of pizza would you like?
Do you have margarita pizza?
Yes, we do. Would you like a regular or large size? Your order will be ready soon.
Thanks a lot.
Oke, tak ulangi.
Hi, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Sure. What kind of pizza would you like?
Do you have margarita pizza?
Yes, we do. Would you like a regular or large size?
I'll take a regular one.
Great. Anything to drink with that? Anything to drink with that? Anything to drink with that?
Lot.
Oke,
Hi, welcome.
ceritakan tentang apa jadi? Bahasa Indonesia aja. Ngomong aja. Ini tentang apa tadi cerita?
Tentang
Ada orangnya
seorang wanita
yang
ingin memesan pizza.
terus percakapannya gimana dua orang itu? Tanya apa?
Tanya, selamat datang.
Oh,
Selamat datang.
ucapan selamat datang terus.
Terus si wanita bilang, saya ingin membeli pizza.
Oke, terus lupa,
Iya.
lupa ya. Oke. Ini tulisannya Jerry yang bagus sekali. Oke Jerry, bye bye.
Bye.
Kasih salam, ya.
Bye bye. Terima
Jangan lupa,
kasih.
Jerry.
Good morning.
Let me introduce myself.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Feli. I live in Surabaya. My hobby badminton.
Okay. Another.
I like it.
Oh, it's okay. What kind of food? Makan apa? What kind
Fried
of food?
rice.
Fried rice. Okay. Lagi. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to read your story?
Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Feli. I live in Surabaya. I like eat fried rice. My hobby badminton. Udah. Apa lagi, Pak?
Sampai 1-2 kalimat. Saya bola.
Yeah, I am studying SMPTK Karunia Hidup School.
You want to read or bahasa Inggris?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Please. Take your time.
Lina is a quiet student. She does not talk much in class. She feels nervous when the teacher asks her to speak. Because of this, some students do not notice her, but Lina always tries to do her best. After school, Lina likes to go to the library. Yeah. She reads book and writes short story in her notebook. Reading makes her feel calm and happy. It is her way to express her feelings. One day, the teacher tells the class about a reading competition. At first, Lina feels scared. She is not sure about herself, but she remembers that trying is better than giving up. That night, Lina writes a simple story. She writes slowly and careful. When she finished, she submits her story to the teacher. Every day,
A few days later, the teacher called Lina name her story win the competition. Lina felt surprised and happy. She learned that even a quiet with trying. Ya, Pak. Kan nggak panjang.
Tulisan ini.
Ya.
Tulisannya keren, kecil-kecil, rapi. Tulisannya orangnya. Cari sudah.
Apa itu?
Seorang murid yang bernama
Lina. Bahwa apa ya?
Orang diri ya.
Iya.
Ya. Kenapa kau pilih ini? Apa kamu kurang percaya diri?
Ya itu yang muncul, Pak. Ya udah.
Coba ceritain.
Ya karena itu yang ya aku kan nyari terus munculnya itu. Jadi aku pakainya itu.
Ini pakai AI.
Iya.
Ini AI.
Iya, Pak.
Jadi kamu ketika baca Indonesianya, terus langsung AI-nya masuk pakai.
Iya.
Jadi ini karangan sendiri.
Iya, beberapa ada karena.
Terus ini menceritakan tentang diri bukan?
Enggak.
Oke, sekarang masuk ke apa? Writing ya. Oke, kamu pilih dari seni, kamu pilih yang di supermarket atau jajan ke dokter atau beli baju atau buat
Apa aja, Pak?
beli baju dari supermarket
Yes. Have a nice day.
Ganti aja nggak coba? Kok kayak terlalu susah ya?
Can I help you find?
Ganti aja nggak coba? Kok kayak terlalu susah ya?
Can I help you find some?
Iya.
Tell me where the milk is.
Sure, it's in aisle 5, right next to the eggs. Yes, we have a few brands. Do you want sweetened or
Ganti, Pak.
unsweetened? Or unsweetened?
Iya.
I am hungry. I just got home from school. Yay! I love fried fish so much.
Okay, wait 5 minutes, it's almost ready.
Mommy, I am hungry. I just got home from school. What are you?
Kan kisahnya tentang apa ya? Ada seorang anak kecil,
Dia minta mamanya makan,
betul.
terus
Terus masak apa?
masak ikan. Apa ya? Ikan.
Kapan selesai Pak? Berapa lama waktu masak?
5 menit.
Jangan tulis ya, nomor 1 pada bahasa Inggris. One, two. Number one,
What are you doing now?
now.
Now.
Apa yang
Apa yang kamu lakukan sekarang? I am cooking dinner. Saya sedang memasak makan malam.
Oke.
Fried fish.
Kamu apa tadi?
Fried
Fried apa?
fish
Ya, fried fish
and rice.
and rice.
Ikan bakar dan nasi.
Oke.
I love fried fish.
Fried.
I love
Kayak Kentucky Fried Chicken ya, kayak gitu.
I love fried fish so much.
So much.
Aku suka ikan bakar.
Aku sangat suka. So much.
Wait 5
Wait 5.
Wait 5 minutes.
Wait.
Wait 5 minutes. It's almost ready.
Artinya
Tunggu 5 menit.
hampir
Hampir selesai.
Oke, Ferry. Thank you ya, Ferry. Good, Ferry. Thank you. Very, very wonderful. See you next time, Ferry. Bye-bye. Cukup kan? Ini sudah saya ya, satu lembar tangannya. Yang setelah itu baru mandi ya. Biasanya orang mandi dulu baru makan. Kamu makan dulu.
Iya, makan dulu.
Makan dulu baru mandi.
Mandinya nggak lama-lama.
Di sekolah ketemu teman-teman biasanya ngomong soal PR. Funny moments and oke. Ada pelajaran yang menyenangkan dan ada yang menantang. Waktu istirahat makan snack dengan teman, tertawa. Memang tertawa sama siapa ini? Satria. Satria ini suka melucu ya. Pulang sekolah sampai rumah, I feel relief, merasa bebas. Apa relief? Lega. Lega itu berarti di sekolah tertekan ya. Ya,
Panas.
Makan siang. Oke. Tidak ulang lagi.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is 38.2 degrees C. You have a mild fever.
Is it serious?
No, it looks like a common cold. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you. How many times should I take it each day?
3 times a day after meals.
Got it. Thank you, doctor.
Udah, ulangi ya. Bisa.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What brings you here today?
I have a sore throat and a bad cough.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature.
Okay, David. Thank you, David. Very good and wonderful. See you next time, David.
Hi everyone. Pak, hapus dulu Pak. Pak, hapus dulu Pak. Pak, hapus Pak. Edit beneran ya Pak? Oke. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Deborah and I am 15 years old. Pak, ulang Pak. Nggak mau Pak, sekali doang Pak. Please, sekali doang Pak. Ayo Pak, itu jelek Pak. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Deborah. I am 15 years old. I live in Surabaya and I'm studying in SMPTK Karunia School. And my favorite food is black, and my hobby is play the football. Every morning I wake up at 6 years old. Every morning I wake up is 16 o'clock. Ulang ya Pak, ini Pak. Every morning I wake up 16 o'clock. I am brush my teeth and brush my face. After what I make my bed and cleaning into my exercise clothes. I want to go for a short run. Is the partner my house running make me feel fresh and energetic. When I clean my home, I take a shower, get dressed for day. I get have a breakfast with my family. I usually eat bread with milk or bread.
Oke, ceritakan dalam bahasa Indonesia tulisannya apa atau ceritakan apa ini?
Saya setiap hari bangun jam 6 pagi, menyikat gigi dan mencuci muka. Setelah itu saya saya merapikan kasur. Setelah itu saya
Went for a short apa ini?
menggunakan pakaian olahraga.
I went for a short food. Oh, jalan pendek, jalan singkat.
Iya, di taman. Setelah itu saya pulang. Kemudian memakai baju dan beraktivitas. Lalu
biasanya makan apa?
Biasanya makan sereal dengan susu atau roti.
Positifnya juga Pak?
Memulai setiap hari dengan
positif. Apa itu positif?
Pak, sorry, yang itu.
Oh, ini?
Iya.
Oh, ini kok kamu potong ya?
Iya.
Kamu suka berlari ya, olahraga lari?
Yes.
Lari membuat kamu merasa segar dan energetik ya?
Iya.
Segar dan energetik.
Where exactly is it?
Go straight, then turn left. You will see it next to the shop.
Thank you very much. Excuse me.
Okay, give it your hand, with hand.
Bye.
Okay, see you next time, Deborah. Okay.
See you.
I introduce myself. My name is Betsy. I am 15 years old.
15. 15
15 years old. Years old.
Terus
I live in Surabaya.
I live.
I live in Surabaya. I want to read story to the dreams. In a big city filled with tall buildings and endless lights, a little girl stepped into one of them with a racing heart. Her hands trembled slightly as she whispered prayers to herself. She did not know what awaited her inside, but deep down, she felt that this moment would be the beginning of everything. My name is Elora Marcelin Rosvilla Lund, usually called Elle. When I was 8 years old, I was a curious little girl who loved music and dancing more than anything. I practiced every day, sometimes quickly on my own, holding onto a dream I could not yet fully explain. Music was my comfort, and dancing was the way I could express my feelings. For a long time, my world was simple. I only wanted to move with the rhythm and feel alive on a stage, even if it was just in my imagination. I did not think much about fame recognition. I only knew that performing made my heart feel full. Everything began to change the day I visited my cousin's house. While I was playing, my eyes were drawn to a laptop screen where a K-pop music video was playing. From the very first moment, I was captivated. The powerful music, sharp choreography, and confidence of the performance.
Halaman kita demi. Ya. Ini guys tulisannya Betsy. Kecil-kecil, imut-imut kayak orangnya. Ya. Imut-imut kecil-kecil rapi kayak orangnya. Duh. Ya.
Jadi di sebuah kota ada banyak gedung tinggi-tinggi dan ada satu anak
Gadis kecil
yang masuk ke dalam satu gedung itu. Dia mau mendaftar
racing heart itu apa artinya racing heart? Kamu nulis racing heart?
itu kayak apa itu deg-degan gitu loh.
Oh, with a racing heart dengan hati yang berdebar-debar.
Iya.
Terus?
Dia mau audisi jadi idol K-pop.
Oh.
Nah, pas kecilnya, pas dia umur 8 tahun itu dia suka ngedance dan nyanyi-nyanyi gitu.
Latihan setiap hari.
Sampai dia ke rumah sepupunya dan gak sengaja lihat layar di laptop sepupunya itu terdapat video musik dari K-pop. Dia tertarik. Pas dia pulang, dia nyari apa itu K-pop. Dia kayak nyari latar belakangnya, musiknya, pokoknya semua, sampai gak sadar kalau dia itu udah ngikutin K-pop selama 6 tahun. Jadi
6 tahun apa bertahun-tahun?
6 tahun.
6 tahun ya.
Masih 6 tahun.
Iya, 6 years. Oke.
Terus pas dia lagi santai gitu, di HP-nya ada notifikasi kalau Hype Labels lagi ngadain audisi. jadi dia pengen ikut, tapi keluarganya
Oke, cukup, thank you. Cukup banyak halaman lebih. Kok tertarik soal K-pop? Kenapa? Punya idola penyanyi K-pop? Yang laki apa yang cowok?
Yang laki apa yang cowok ya?
Yang laki apa yang cewek?
cowok.
Cowok.
Kan apa itu Elora kan cewek, jadi suka cowok.
Siapa yang cowok? Penyanyi cowok K-pop siapa misalnya?
Misalnya Seventeen, terus apa itu NCT, BTS.
Oh, BTS ya laki semuanya. Jadi aku kurang ikuti sih. Oke, ya wajar lah.
Namanya juga.
Oke, sekarang listening ya. Listening, mendengarkan mau yang gampang apa yang sulit?
Gampang.
Gampang. Coba ini, kalau tidak kesulitan.
Hello, can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a pair of jeans.
Sure. What size do you wear?
I wear a size 32.
Right this way, please. These are our latest jeans.
Thank you. Can I try them on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ruby Christine Meta. I'm 14 years old. I live in Surabaya. I like food in seblak.
Terus?
Ulang Pak.
Tidak apa-apa.
I like food in
Seblak food.
seblak food.
Terus?
Udah.
Hobinya? My hobby is
home. Maksudnya
Game.
Game.
Writing. Yes, okay, silakan.
Sebelumnya my friend.
Card, please.
Perfect.
Sebelumnya my friend discover house here. I live near I'm small fortress high my live one more I live house there near the reef he was a small I told him story about my school. Kiko could not talk, but
My friend, teman apa ini? Tentang apa ini?
Itu tentang kancil.
Kancil sama tikus ya?
Enggak, sama kayak anak manusia gitu loh, kayaknya.
Terus?
Itu ceritanya
Tulisannya cilik ini.
ada satu anak laki-laki, dia itu sering melihat si kancil kecil dan pada suatu hari itu dia memberi makanan kepada si kancil, tapi kancil itu tidak lari. Terus akhirnya dia menganggap bahwa kancil itu adalah sahabat atau enggak bestinya gitu Pak.
Terus?
Ya atau teman gitu biasa disebut. Nah situ apa ya? Udah sih gitu aja sih.
Oke, kenapa kamu kok suka cerita dongeng ini? Ini kan dongeng, mirip dongeng.
Iya karena.
Kenapa nggak pilih cerita yang lain?
Gak mau sih soalnya kan karena di apa ya? Karena kenapa aku milih cerita itu? Karena dia tuh kayak terkesan apa ya? Apa sih terkesan
lucu?
Lucu atau enggak kayak terkesan baik juga karena kan si anak laki-lakinya kan berbuat baik untuk bagi kayak makanan gitu.
Oh ada kayak yang muda ya?
Iya.
Oke. Ini aja ya.
Can I watch TV?
No, honey, do homework first.
Mom, I don't want to do homework.
You must. Homework comes first.
But I want to watch TV now.
No, finish homework first.
Okay, Mom, I will do it.
Good, now start.
Mom, can I watch TV?
No, honey, do homework first.
Mom, I don't want to do homework.
You must. Homework comes first.
But I want to watch TV now.
No, finish homework first.
Okay, Mom, I will.
Good, now start.
Mom, can I watch TV?
No, honey, do homework first.
Mom, I don't want to do homework.
You must. Homework comes first.
But I want to watch TV now.
No, finish homework first.
Okay, Mom, I will do it.
Good, now start.
Ini tentang apa ceritanya? Seorang anak dan ibunya kenapa? Tidak ngerti kan? Kurang paham. Mana nggak? Nggak apa-apa, wes. Sudah selesai. Tadi terakhir apa?
Mom, I don't.
Can I watch TV? Work. Work. Nomor berapa? Sekarang nomor berapa?
3.
Nomor 3. You must do homework. You must do homework first. You must do homework first. Nomor 4. I want to watch TV now. To watch TV now.
No.
Nomor 5 terakhir. I will do it. Dah, 5 nomor dah. Tolong dibaca pelan-pelan dan terjemahkan dalam bahasa Indonesia.
Can I watch TV?
Can I watch
Watch
TV?
TV? I don't.
Artinya apa?
Hah?
Artinya terjemahan.
Artinya itu
Bolehkah saya?
menonton TV.
Oke, number 2.
I don't want to do
Homework. I don't want to do homework. Homework. Ya. Saya tidak ingin mengerjakan PR.
Terus tiga itu
You must do homework first. Ya. Kamu harus
belajar
mengerjakan
PR.
first, pertama kali. Terus lebih dulu ya, lebih dulu.
I want to watch TV now.
Saya ingin
menonton
TV sekarang. Nomor 5.
I will do it.
I will do it. Artinya saya akan melakukannya sekarang. Okay, maybe say goodbye and thank you for joining this examination.
Maaf.
Very good student, maybe very funny student. Okay.
Maaf kalau gugur.
My name is Andreas. Apa lagi?
Let me introduce myself.
Let me
introduce
myself.
My name is
My name is Andreas.
Ya, sudah ceritakan dirimu. Saya ini
Hobinya juga.
ceritakan tentang
My
dirimu.
hobby.
Ya, hobi boleh.
Playing football. I like some nasi goreng.
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Tambah lagi sedikit. Saya tinggal di Surabaya, sekolah di sini.
My umur.
I am 14.
I am
14. 15.
15. School, SMP, TK, Karunia Hidup.
Saya adalah murid yang pandai. I am a smart student. Sudah ya, silakan membaca.